Right, save that lid. You'll put that on inside the theater. Jumbo friends, 2 lines up ahead. Good morning, party animals. Good morning. Wow, you got the nice band. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the one up to...
About spinning around in here and then blowing. How many of them? Go up there, you get. Yeah, have to move further across.
Tree of Life Theatre. I can already feel that Zoogether Day energy. Your stage manager Sam here with a few quick reminders. Let's see. No need to wear your carrot vision glasses just yet. I'll let you know when. Please, no flash photos or video lighting during the watch party, and of course, if you're an otter, no live streaming. Please be aware, our celebrations today may include loud noises and unexpected special effects. Great! In just a moment, the theatre doors will open out toward you, so please keep your paws behind the yellow line until they are fully open. Now, who's ready to party? Happy Zoogether Day! Thanks for doors open soon. Thanks.
Before we begin, a big Zoogether Day thank you to our event sponsors. Bug Burger, they get a grass-hoppy meal today. Mr. Big's limo service, whether you're riding in the back seat or in the trunk, our watch party is presented in Carrot Vision 3D. Carrots, they're good for your eyes. Ask anybody. Alrighty, are all of the live bio feeds up? Tundra Town? Marsh Market?
Hey, Bob!
Little Rodentia? Brilliant, you big things! And Sahara Square.
We're live? We're all alive.
Great! All districts, stand by! Alright, Mel, this is it! Please, no flash pictures or video lighting during the watch party. Tell your friends thank you. And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on your left. Here we go! Glasses on, everyone! Let's get wild! Clap your paws, stop your moves, I want to hear you roar! Because we're live in 3, 2,
Zoogether Day! Featuring special live performances from across Zootopia and an unforgettable concert finale from superstar Gazelle! Their host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! Teacher! Teacher! And surprise! One of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up, Carla, yes?
Oh,
No, the slot.
Me?
Nah, whatever it is. Come on up. And what's your name, my spotted friend? Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button.
Which one?
Standard, okay.
This one.
No, careful. The flashing one. Don't miss the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes.
Wow! Crazy!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast.
Miss Howard? Are you okay?
Oh, we need you to fill in for Heidi.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Hey! Oh, Tundra Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashmo! Kozlov!
Predator, prey, nice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother.
Oh, special effects!
White snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow!
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, you wanna grab a leg?
Detectives Cox and Wild investigating.
Yeah, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
On to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all better together in space.
The Martian Trader? Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the times while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you. What? Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub. Hey,
Hey,
Bub.
Bubba.
Hey, Bub. Say who did this?
Seriously? Oh, it was locked with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Little rodent show.
Time to make like a tree there.
Clark,
What?
let's move on.
Zoogether Day from the show. Hi, it's your soil fruit brew. In the rodent shop, we made these for.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference. Okay, we're gonna get iced.
I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy, next is the concert.
We're in pursuit. Zootopia! Let's dance, you party animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, you big buffalo. Oh, gee, Bongo.
Clawhauser.
But you said you were going to a security conference.
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Saving Zoogether Day, Chief!
Hey! Wanna shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
You think his head has a lot of flies? You should see him.
Wait! They're gonna ruin the finale! That's it!
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection. And on a day all about connection. Oh, Miss Howler, Zoogether Day is ruined.
Really? Yes!
The reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi! Hello, Bellwether.
Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love
Figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Sheep.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale.
Did someone say another?
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, BIZ.
Oh, best day ever.
Thank you for joining us for Zoogether Day.
I missed the bugs.
Yeah, me too.
The bugs were really fun.
Yeah. It's true.
I thought so too, but I looked and I didn't
I don't know. Probably out.